Here's a Pontiac to take a look at, just in a unique, especially in classics. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. 403 V8 powered with a 4-barrel on it. Power steering, power brakes. AC components all appear to be there. Have not had the compressor kick on or the AC blow cold, FYI. 403 is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Car has underwent a repaint along the line somewhere. Is originally a cameo white car though. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front nose cone. Let you get a good close look at that. Appears to be in pretty decent shape. Now, I will tell you there have been some touch-ups along this car, and I'm going to point out some things as we go. See the paint showing a little bit through on the rear spoiler. Bird does show its age a little bit. Phoenix on it does show its age a little bit, due to probably just being in the sun, but nice look to it. This one you can get in and drive, have a little fun with. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, probably around 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. We're happy to help you out. Take a look up and down the side of this. Couple things I want to point out along here. Did notice the bottom of the doors starting to have a little previous work, possibly show through there. Not so much in the front, just kind of towards the rear of it. Would have the camel vinyl interior, bucket seats, 851 code, of course. It is also a true Trans Am. It's a WS4 car. There you can see your automatic shifter on the console on the floor. It does have a Clarion aftermarket stereo in it that does work. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Little spot back there too. Again, one you can take it to the next level if you want to do a little work on it, or one you can just take and drive the way it sits. Be a nice one for your local shows, local cruise-ins, roll-ins. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the underside, engine bay, trunk, interior. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See, the paint has a nice luster to it. I mean, you can see the reflection off the lights and what have you. It's just there's a few spots where there's some imperfections. It shows a little bit worse over on this side, went a little bit out down there, and then here I also noticed a little bit down way below. But again, drive it the way it is. Don't be worried about getting a nick or chip here or there, or if you want to spend some time, take it to the next level. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. We're going to start it up, check out that engine bay. Some of the things I did play around with this, again, the stereo worked, horn worked, wipers worked, AC compressor, and like I said, all the AC components seem to be there. I just, compressor won't kick in. May need a little TLC here to be recharged there. Vinyl on the seats, free of rips, tears. Really noticed anything there. Seat belts all intact. Headliner did sag just a little bit, but is still up and could be driven again, unless you want to put a little TLC into it. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. This car's always fired right up when I started it, moved it. Tack works. It looks like oil pressure works. Voltage. Notice it does have one of the dash toppers or dash pads on it, and I'm guessing that's due to this one crack here in the center. And there is pictures of the dash without the pad on it. There's pictures of the carpeting without the floor mats in. All that are still pictures. on the website. And I'll hit that one more time before this video is over, where to see those yet too. Doors closed nicely. Again, 403 underneath the hood, paired up with that automatic transmission. Smooth running car. Speaking of which, let's slip up here. I'm going to pause it a second. Let's pop that hood. Check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Of course, the true shaker hood on the TAs. In equipment, power steering, power brakes. Looking pretty stock underneath there. Slip around here, you can see compressor, AC components. Everything appears to be intact. There you go, looking for a 1979 Trans Am to drive. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, unique classiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.